What's up, Bread Gang? I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. I'm having an awesome day, even though I look like I haven't slept in 6 months. I've got the typical shirt on. You know how it works out. I always end up having this shirt on. We got something big planned today, something big. But before we get into that, I do want to let y'all know something awesome. Today is Sunday, starting tomorrow, April 1st. It is not an April Fool's joke. It really is happening. There will be an Instagram page that I'm starting for the truck meet. The date is May 4th. Mark your calendars, May 4th, the day before Cinco de Mayo. I guess, yeah, Cinco de Mayo. May 4th, that is the date for the truck meet. The truck meet Instagram, Bow Tally Truck Meet, at Bow Tally Truck Meet. We'll be live tomorrow, 8 o'clock in the morning. So make sure to go follow the page. I'm gonna put all that on Instagram so y'all can go follow it. And let's blow that page up so we can try and get as many people out as possible. Me and Bojangles have been working together and we got a lot of awesome stuff planned. So y'all make sure to go follow that page and let's roll the intro. They're gonna hate me for this one. We've gotten a lot of bread today. Everybody get kicked out of Bojangles. Hey, baby! Today is a very special day. I'm very blessed for the opportunity to be able to film quite possibly the nicest truck in Tallahassee. Probably the cleanest one, definitely the cleanest one on the channel so far. Dalton, I'm sorry, but this one's pretty close. It's close. I won't say, but it's close. Anyway, we're gonna get to it. 2016 Ford F-250 Power Stroke, 6.7, 550 horsepower, 1100 foot-pounds of torque. This thing is an absolute monster. We're gonna go head to toe. I'm gonna try and get some rollers today. It's got 4-link suspension, 14-inch lift total. It's got everything you can think of. No corners have been cut on this truck, and it's absolutely insane. We've got 26 by 16s on 40s. I mean, we're gonna go head to toe on this thing, but it's absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. You're probably gonna hear me say absolutely insane an absolutely insane number of times because this thing is absolutely awesome. Nickname for this truck is the White Gnome. So I'm gonna put all his, right here before we get into it, before I forget, I'm gonna put all his Instagram information on the bottom right here so we can make sure that he gets all that love from you guys. Go show him some love on Instagram, but we're gonna dive into it. We're gonna start white truck. Technically, it is a purple lift, but during the day it looks blue. So we'll take a look. 4-link suspension. This is super clean. He just had it washed too. Like I said, there's no corners cut on this truck. Everything, every little detail. So it's got the 4-link bars that are a bluish purple. He said it's a Dodge color. I can't remember exactly what color, but we've got the white accents on the outside. Absolutely love it. White coilovers. They are 14-inch coilovers. I think he said they're set at 12. Just gives it such an awesome look. The suspension on this thing is absolutely ridiculous. Coolest suspension that I have ever had the pleasure to film. Oh, whoa. I'm gonna try and get into this thing here in a minute. Everything's just Dirt Logic shocks, all of it. Moving on down, 26 by 16 fuel forged. We got the chrome spike lug nuts. These are probably the cleanest forged wheels I've seen in a long time. Don't at me, but this thing gets driven. He actually drives this thing. It doesn't just sit in a parking lot somewhere, and it's stupid clean. We've got the 40 by 1550 Fury, let's see, Country Hunter MTs on here. I actually really like these. There's not too much stretch on it. and it has a great look to it. The 26s with this truck are absolutely beautiful. It looks so amazing. I'm just at a loss for words. I think he said about 20 rock lights total. So we got 2 in each wheel well. There's 2 up front, 2 in the back, and then just a crazy number. I wish it was dark outside so we could turn them all on, but this thing lights up like a fucking Christmas tree at night, and it looks really good. I've seen it driving around town. I'm gonna get him to start it up for us in a minute, so we can hear that 550 horsepower in this thing. It's really loud. I don't know if any of you remember, we're at a spot from a previous video. One of my very first videos was right here, and we got him rolling by, and here we are a couple months later. Now we're filming the truck itself. Such a great opportunity. Thank you so much, Paul. And we're just gonna get this bread today. Coming around the front, let's see, we've got Rigid Industry. That's his rock lights are Rigid Industry, by the way. So we got the Rigid Industry, sorry, Rough Country. These are Rough Country. Pods in the front, those are really bright. Looks like a 32, maybe 50, somewhere around there. Double row light bar on the front. Absolutely awesome. I mean, look at this. Look at this. I can't even see like above Jesus, thing's huge. Got the LED emblems on the side. Such a beautiful, just every little corner, everything's painted. Just, this is first show truck I've had on the channel, and I'm at a loss for words. It's absolutely insane. I love it so much. I definitely hope one day I can have something of this quality. If y'all love me enough, hopefully one day we can get the old wide bow tie over there that's sitting off on the side to this quality at some point. I would love that. We're gonna get him to come start it up for us, and we're really gonna show you how big this thing is. I'm gonna pull my truck next to it so we can really get a size comparison. Watch out. He said he's gonna let me start it. This is, oh man, there's no steps. Oh man. And getting in my truck is difficult with here. Oh. Holy crap. Oh, look at this. It's so nice. Platinum. There is a factory sub in here. It's either a 10 or 12, I can't remember, but this thing is stupid clean. Oh my goodness, I love this. All the brown leather, just, oh man, I'm excited. He's gonna get on it for us for a second. I'm gonna step back a little bit. Woo! Oh my goodness. If I sell my truck tomorrow, know why? Because I want a diesel really freaking bad. Holy crap. Is it a straight pipe? Is that what it is? Yep, all the way 5-inch. 5-inch straight pipe all the way through. Hopefully y'all can hear me through this amazing exhaust that's coming out right now. I hope the video does it justice, because that's so beautiful, so beautiful. Every little detail. Was the truck white originally?
It's got sparkles placed in it.
Ooh. Sparkle. I can see it a little bit. The camera's not gonna pick it up. That looks, oh yeah, I can see it there. I don't even know if the
white on the lift's got sparkle.
That's got sparkle too. Oh man, that's beautiful. The blue has it too?
Yep, right in here.
That's awesome. Such an awesome truck. Man. For a Ford too. I'm just kidding. So I want to give y'all a little size comparison. Y'all know my truck's 9-inch lift, 2 in the back. I really need some LED reverse lights, that's for sure. But I want to give y'all a size comparison. That's a good combo right there. I want to give y'all a little teaser. The next mod for my truck is coming. It has something to do with the front end. So something on the front end is coming this week. I'm super excited. It's going to change the front end a little bit. It's nothing crazy, but there is something coming to the front end of my truck this week. Y'all stay tuned for that. Quite possibly the cleanest lineup of trucks in Tallahassee right now. Don't at me, because there's a lot of people that are watching this that are going to want to be here. Hit me up. Let's make some magic. I have no words. Dirt Logic suspension in the front. It sounds amazing. It looks amazing. Everything was done perfectly. I absolutely love this. Shout out to my man. Shout out to my guys at Minco as well. They did an awesome job on this truck. They did everything top to bottom, wheels, tires, lift, powder coat, all of it. Well, yeah, they did all of it. Shout out to my guys at Minco. Maybe next time I'll get them to roast the tires off the back of it. If this video gets like 10 kabillion views. Maybe we'll do that. Shout out to my man, Paul, for letting me film his truck today. I absolutely love it. He's an awesome guy. I've got his information at the beginning of the video. Make sure to go show his Instagram some love. Shout him out. Let's blow his page up a little bit. I hope y'all enjoyed it. And as always, let's get this bread.